Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing an unboxing. Yes, an unboxing. Just one. Okay, here we are with just one. It's another party game. It's for 3 to 7 players, ages 8 plus, and it takes about 20 minutes to play. It's not a it's not a difficult game to play. So let's take the wrapping off and then we can turn it over and see what it says on the back. Okay, so Ludwig Rowdy and Bruno Soto are the designers. It's a cooperative party game. You work together to discover as many mystery words as possible. You come up with the best clue to help your teammates and be original, since identical clues will be cancelled. So you write it down what the clues are, you compare the clues and you guess, and the person whose turn it is has to guess what the word is. So let's turn it over and see what we have in the box. Okay, so we start off with a little bit of an advertisement thing for Concept Kids. So you know, Concept is a big party game. Charade's the board game, really. After that we have the rule book. Now I'm keeping this I'm keeping this quite wide out because it's in fact it'll just about fit on if I do it this way. So in this we get 110 cards, 7 easels, 7 erasable felt markers and this rulebook. Oh yeah, it's a simple game, as you can see, because that's the rules. That's just the object of the game and the setup. The rules are just on this part. And then there's the scoring and a variant for 3 players. So next out of the box we have these. Okay, these are the little easels that you use in the game. Let's see if we can get these out without breaking the elastic band. There we go. So basically we each get one of these, and the player whose turn it is puts the card in that side, which will be away from them, and everybody else can see it, but the person whose turn it is can't, and what all they have to do is guess what word they've chosen on the card, because the cards are here and they have different options on, so you basically choose what number word you'd like. So it's not as if there's only one option on, and then everybody else, using the aforementioned felt markers, they'll each have one, and they will write on this side what in secret what they think the clue for the word, only one word, and then when everybody's wrote one down they'll turn them round and let everybody else see except for the person whose turn it is, and because they will have their eyes closed at this point, and then any dual what's the word I'm looking for? Any dual clues will be cancelled out. So we have those. Yeah. We have markers. There we go. So we have, I'm just going to show one. It's a marker, oops, with a brush on the end. So there you go. So you write on whatever you think the word is, and when you're finished it's one of those that's used then to rub off. Very simple. So you have purple, pink, red, blue, green, orange and black. So that's what you have in there. And I'll pop them back in, and then we can open up the cards to see what kind of things we have. Where's the, there it is, I think. Can never quite work out with these where the end of the tag is. That's why I prefer using my knife. Okay, so these are the cards. They're all exactly the same style. Your 5 different options of what you can do. So I'll just show you a few. There we are. Yeah. So it's a good little party game. So ideal for when you've got a few friends around who don't really play big games. So there we are. That's it. That is just one. Oops. I'll put that on there, and I'll put the lid back on, and that one can be added to my collection. And look forward to getting some gameplay videos when we're all out of quarantine or lockdown or whatever you want to call it, because at the moment Wigan is back in this lockdown state again. So just waiting to find out when we can start meeting up and mixing with each other again, which will be nice. But this is getting a little silly now as far as I'm concerned. You know, everything is getting a bit too trying to make us all antisocial, and it's not very good, because we play games to be social. We don't play games to be antisocial. If you wanted to play games to be antisocial, we'd go for video games, not board games. There we are. Anyway, that's it for this video and my little rant. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned, because we have some more painting videos coming up for MacLeod Crisis Protocol and Rumble Slam, and we might get a few other things coming out as well. You never know. But yes, as I said, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.